I am developing a Buildfolio application. Buildfolio application is for students, professionals who want to change your career, somebody who is just curious, uh, or somebody who just want to learn, or who just curious. Whatever case may be, Buildfolio is the platform you can come and learn and build, learn and build your skills. Learn skills and build it so you can showcase you are really learning. You have all the knowledge, but if you're not able to apply it, what's the use? Here, you can showcase your learning and showcasing what you have built. So we have different projects here, six different projects. You can learn to build that. And then you can also build this application via different platforms, just like this platform right here. Uh, it's called Stitch. So Stitch, you just have to give a prompt, and then it's gonna build the application for you. So I am doing this on the side, but from my experience, application the development by AI like this is not gonna be 100% according to your standard, right? So if you have the real skills of building applications, you don't have to know everything, but you just have to know the structure, your requirement, and some understanding of the building. Well, that's architect, right? So architect, you have to know that. And then so if you know that, and if you understanding the basic uh, terms, uh, then you can build a real application that's going to work. Like for example, we have provided us project setup and database schema, how that is done. This video shows uh, learning next.js. That's what we use for this platform. There's a code right here, bashing code for your PowerShell or command. These are the codes you need to bash it, and these are the codes for the Prisma. And this can be produced by your LLM like Claude, the Code, Gemini, or any other large language model. They can produce these codes for you. But if you know the structure, so for example, I'm going to show you the structure, the file, how everything is laid down here. So these are the whole files and folders that is in my local place. There's a lot of admins here. There are a lot of seed seeds here. There are a lot of certificate dashboard data. All this files and folders are here, right? So these are all built by the large language model, but you just have to know how it's flowing. You just have to know the architect, so that be easier to debug and easier for you to build application faster and build a quality application. So this is the application. So you can also take a quiz here. So e-commerce is almost fully built, but other applications are not built fully. It's missing, some of them missing, like video is not available here. Uh, it's also missing the code snippets and then hints like the e-commerce. So we are going to add that today. And then so we are using the AI to add it. Uh, and then we asked it to do that earlier. And then it said, oh, we built it for you. And it pushed the code out to GitHub. And from GitHub, we are connected to Vercel application because a React project is not so much viable in GitHub. So we have to utilize Vercel that is really React friendly. So we pushed it to Vercel, and Vercel accepted the codes uh, 46 minutes ago, and it says ready. But when I want to test it, As you can see, it's not ready yet. They don't have. It doesn't have the code snippets and then hints, right? So we want to add that. Also missing a video URL. We have to fix this. So we're gonna go have to work on that. Um, so we're going to use a prompt to fix this. So I'm not going to go into detail how this is done. Uh, I'm just giving you the infrastructure or the tools or the overall picture of how uh, you can utilize the Buildfolio. Buildfolio.tech is the website right here. Buildfolio.tech is project-based learning, verified learning, and career ready. That means the certificates are available. Once you pass it, the system will produce certificate like this, so you can showcase the certificate. So right now, computer is using a lot of resources for the AI agent to do that. Uh, let's see why it's not downloading the certificate. Yeah, there it is. So the certificate is there, right? So all this thing is available here. You also have the dashboard. You can track your progress. You know what projects you completed. You can also complete your resume profile here. You can click right here and then fill out all the forms, and then this will create a resume. You can export that into a PDF file. Then you have the resume ready for you. So this resume template is here. Um, yeah, on the dashboard. So that's the plan today. And once this is done, I'm gonna show you the the completed version of the build folio. Uh, so we prepare all this thing for you to utilize it. So if you're students, career changer, somebody who wants to change career, somebody who is curious about learning, and this is actually you're learning the system, learning the like for example setup, project setup and database schema is step one, and then a product catalog page, step number two, then creating a shopping cart, uh, creating payment integration, and then admin dashboard, creating admin dashboard, and then search and filter, and then deployment to Vercel. So all these steps are there. You can learn that in order to build your application like this. So see, we have built